Hello everyone, friends, on the Waller call. Today I will show you how to fix your computer reset error, right? Accordingly, for this we will need to open the command line and enter 4 commands here in turn. Reagent nc disable. Oh, you need to open as an administrator. Let's open it. Press yes and write reagent disable. And then the same thing, only the enable respectively. Turn it on, turn it off. We are waiting. That's it. Next, you need to make a scan of all Windows systems, yes, and partitions, and also download them. For this, we have such a team. Here's it, DISM Online Cleanup Image Restaurant Heal. Yes, that is the restoration of all departments. We press it. Well, it takes some time to execute this command, so I'll probably pause myself because, well, it really takes time. In general, you should have such a tab. I don't know, you can compare by the hour. I have 62 and 3%, about 20 minutes. That's it. But the more memory you have on your computer, yes, the more information you have, the longer it will take. That's it. But the bottom line is that after this command, you also need to conduct the next scan and restore other systems. That's it. I'll close that. But you must wait for the end of this process and enter the SFC scan now command. So also on behalf of the administrator, SFC scan now is called a team. This is such an SFC scan now. Here is the verification of the system for errors. That's it. And after the completion of these, respectively, 2 or the last 2 commands, this is the main thing. After the completion of these 2 operations, yes, that is, we need to wait for the end. Try to reset your computer if you can't restart your computer, and try resetting it again. That's all. Waller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.